Hey guys, welcome to my channel Daily Techie, and in this video as promised I am going to tell you guys how to get Coursera courses or any paid course on Coursera total free. So without any further ado, let's scrub into this video. So here I am opening the Coursera homepage and just search over there the web development courses. After that, for example, let's take the first course that is offered by University of Michigan. So this is a specialization course. So you guys would be learning about more courses in this course. Like there are 4 courses that are already included in this course. So after that, let's start the main part, how to get this course for free. So it's totally official process. There is no third party site or any downloading or anything required. It's totally official and it's offered by Coursera itself. So we just have to click over here, financial aid available, and after that you have to just click on continue the application. After clicking on that, you have to click on both you have to check mark these both options that are present over here, like share accurate information on their application and commits to finishing the course. If you are applying for financial aid on Coursera, there is a commitment that you have to make, that you have to finish this course. It's up to you that you have to finish or not, but it's said that you should finish that course. And I have to just copy paste this sentence. You have to just copy paste this whole line in this uh, dialog box that's given over here, and then click on continue, and then just fill these details, all the educational background, that I'm in some college. I'm presently in college. Annual income you have to show it's $0, and employment status you mark it as a student, and you mark it as a student, and then how much you can afford to pay, that's $0 you have to write over here. Now I'll link the data that is to be filled over here in the description down below, so you can check it out there and just copy paste those paragraph over here. You have to change few words and lines, and you have to include your name in that paragraph also, which I'm uploading down in the description. You have to write your name, you have to include that your name in between the paragraph, and you have to change it a little bit so that someone else don't copy that, or it's not same as anyone else, so they'll not provide you the financial aid. So just change some lines or some word over it. The matter would be that only, the plot should remain that only, or you can add 2-3 lines more in that paragraph. Why are you applying for financial aids? Let's fill this. I'll just copy it from here, fill it, just remove one and add 2-3 lines more. After filling these 2 paragraphs, you have to click, would you consider a low interest loan pay for a course? You don't have to approve this, you simply click on no, and in this dialog box just write I cannot, or you can write I will not be able to repay the loan, as simple, and just click on I am not a robot and submit application. After that, submitting an application, you will be provided with a date by which it takes around of 15 days for the application to be rectified by verified by the team at Coursera and the college officials. They verify your application, they go through it, and they send you a mail. It takes a span of 15 days in overall to accept your application and then grant you with the course for total free. You will get certificate of this course also after completing this course. So I'll show you the mail that I received after verification and after approval. Your financial aid application is approved, congratulations. And all these four courses were verified, and you just have to fill any one apply we have to fill apply for only one financial aid, and you will get these all 4 courses that are under it for free, totally free. So here's the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like it, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon for daily updates and all the further details that I'm going to share with you guys. So till then, goodbye and see you.